everyone, we're at 52 Hamilton Avenue in Cobourg. This 4+1 bedroom bungalow is situated on a great sized town lot and is surrounded by a lot of mature trees. Come on in, let's go take a look. As you enter the home, you'll see the renovated eat-in kitchen with a walkout to the covered porch. The spacious living and dining room combination is very bright with a lot of windows. The main level has 4 good-sized bedrooms and a renovated 4-piece bath. The lower level has a great-sized bedroom and a supersized rec room. A great feature of this family home is the supersized backyard.